Hi everyone. Today, I'll be sharing my real experience of booking a yacht in Montenegro. This is a no-nonsense guide to help you rent a yacht even if you have no prior knowledge. Let's dive in. First, go to the site in the link provided in the description. The site offers a range of yachts to suit different budgets and preferences. Once you land on the page, take a moment to explore. At the top, there are options to filter by yacht type, size, and price. This makes it easy to narrow down your choices based on the experience you're looking for. Start by selecting your destination as Montenegro and then set your travel dates. You will see a list of available yachts for your chosen timeframe. Each listing has detailed information, including photos, yacht specifications, amenities, and capacity. This is particularly helpful for anyone new to yacht rentals because it allows you to visually and mentally picture the experience you'll have on board. Now, let's talk about pricing. The site is transparent with costs, displaying both the rental price and additional fees upfront. This clarity is great because it eliminates unexpected surprises. You will see the total estimated cost before proceeding, which is incredibly helpful for budgeting. Next, let's get into the booking process itself. Once you picked your ideal yacht, click on it to view more details and select Book Now or a similar button. The booking page will ask for some personal information, such as your name and contact details, along with your payment method. Don't worry, the site uses secure payment options to protect your information. One of the standout features is the customer service. You can easily reach out if you have questions or specific needs. The support team is knowledgeable about local regulations, yacht requirements, and can assist with any customization or additional services you may need, like a skipper or crew. At this point in the video, remember to check the link in the description for a convenient shortcut to booking your own yacht in Montenegro. Additionally, I found it helpful that the site includes reviews from other travelers. These reviews provide insights into the condition of each yacht, the professionalism of the crew, and even hints about the best times to sail around Montenegro. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons. The advantages include a user-friendly interface, transparent pricing, and reliable customer support. You also get access to a diverse selection of yachts, making it easy to find one that meets your specific needs. On the downside, booking during peak seasons can sometimes lead to limited availability, so it's wise to book in advance to secure the yacht you want. And that's it. Booking a yacht in Montenegro is as straightforward as it gets. If this guide helped, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and don't forget to book your yacht through the link in the description.